order in the court. Okay, what's up, y'all? It's your favorite attorney, Ali Booker. They wrote me and they said, if there are drugs found on top of my vehicle, can I be charged? And can my vehicle be searched even if I'm not around? The drugs was left on top of my vehicle, but they were not mine. Ooh, let's call court into session. Let's do it. Court is now in session. Sweetheart, if drugs were left on top of your car, it doesn't lead to the assumption that drugs are on the inside of your vehicle. Okay, but a lot of times we chilling in the hood or whatever. We in our neighborhood or wherever we are. It's a large group of people. The cops may come up and everybody may run. If drugs are left on top of the vehicle, and sometimes people run with the car door open, because you know how we be sitting out the car. Maybe people are inside rolling a sweet, or they're inside talking on their phone. The laws roll up. Everybody runs. They run too, and the car door is left open. Okay, let's say that's the case. If the car door is left open and the drugs are on top of the car, even though the car is not occupied at that point, they can walk up to the car and look inside of that car. Now, if the door is open or the windows are down, the door is right there, they can see something in the open. They can say that dope was in that car. And I'm not talking about dope that was on top of the car. That gets them over to the car, okay? So the police are going to come because they need to confiscate the dope from on top of the car. But if your door is open at that point, do they smell the odor of marijuana? Can they see, marijuana or dope in the inside of the console from where they are? If they can, nothing stops them from going in and retrieving it. Now, trying to put the case on you is something different. But a lot of times and I'm just going to shoot you straight, we live in an area where the cops already know us. The cops technically work the same, what we call beats, the same neighborhoods, the same barrios, the same hoods. And the reason that they put them in the hoods like that, in the same ones, is so that they can learn the area, so they can learn the people. Because it ain't going to do you no good to have officers in and out. They don't know the people. So most officers in your neighborhood know who your mama is. They know your cousins. They know your aunties. They know who you kin to. They know who your fictive kin is. They know who your friends are because they're around all the time. And it's very common for officers to be in the area for 10 years or more. So at that point, if they know they saw your ass, you got red dreadlocks or whatever, blue dreadlocks, they saw somebody with blue dreadlocks that's about your approximate height and weight come up out of that car and take off, okay? They know that by sight and by history to be your vehicle, okay? The vehicle is registered in your name or your mother's name, okay? Then, yeah, they can put the dope on you like that. Yes, they can. They'll look inside of the vehicle for something to try to tie you to that vehicle. But if they cannot tie you to that vehicle, they can't just say whoever the registered owner is, take the dope. Hell no, they just have to go with what they got off the top of the car and roll. Because they can do but resell and smoke it up anyways. All right, next case. Next case.
Sitting here behind these walls. Think it's time I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm. They got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225 or visit the website at bookerlawfirm.com.